Vikki. Welcome to my channel. This is Space Creations, where I hope to inspire you every week to create the space that you love. I meant for this to be a video short, but what can I say? I forgot to film it vertically. Oh well, maybe next week. Anyways, I've put together this fun little montage of the first piece of furniture that I bought for my outdoors. I want to share with you every week a little piece of my transformation before I do the big reveal. Are you ready? Come on outside and let me show you my new egg chair.